Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to transfer money to Bitmart and purchase cheap coin and Bitmart. I'm going to show you exactly how to get your money into Bitmart so you can buy what you want. Alright, so first thing you have to do is go to Bitmart and search for XLM. So you go to Bitmart and right underneath your asset you just type in here XLM right here, and it will show you XLM over here. So once you got XLM right here, you go ahead and you just gonna click deposit right here. Alright, after you click deposit right here, you get this code right here. You copy this one, copy the top one, which is gonna be this one right here. After you copy that one, you're gonna go back to Coinbase, because you're gonna have to have a exchange like Coinbase. If you don't have an exchange like Coinbase, you can download it from the link that I'm gonna put in the description of this video and sign up. If you sign up with Coinbase, I think you get some money, maybe $10-20, and maybe I'll get the same thing too. But before we continue this video guys, I'm gonna show you right now how to transfer the money. I got $95.85 that I'm gonna transfer to Bitmart. What I want you to do, I want you to click the subscribe button just to let the algorithm, you know, get acquainted with the video and share it more, and also allow YouTube to give us some of the wealth. You get what I'm saying? All right. So now what you do when you copy the code from Bitmart, you come here. Let me go back one step back. Every time when I do this, Coinbase runs so slow. So let me go back one step back. You're gonna be on you on Coinbase, right? So once you come on Coinbase, the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna purchase Stellar. Stellar is the cheapest way to transfer dollars from one place to the next place. It costs so nothing at all. Maybe dollar is gonna cost us. All right. So now, once you log into Coinbase and you are ready by the amount of Stellar that you want to transfer over to Bitmart to buy another cheap coin, this is what you're gonna do from here. You're gonna click on your portfolio at the bottom. Once you click on your portfolio, you will see what you buy right here. So Stellar will be right here. So you look at Stellar right there. So you go ahead and click on Stellar, and once you click on Stellar, you just give it a little time. Once you give it a little time, it's gonna load up. You scroll up a little bit, and then you click right here, right at this white line where it says Stellar. And once you click there, you're gonna go ahead and it will take you to another page. And this page, you're gonna paste the code that I copy from Bitmart. All right. So once this page load, it's gonna ask me what I want to do. I'm gonna select amount of money that I want to transfer, and then I paste the code in. So I want to transfer my maximum amount, which is $95.83. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna click continue. Once I click continue down here, it will take me to another page where I'm gonna put a code in. So just bear with me a little bit here. Alright, now we're heading over to the next page just a little bit. Sometimes you have to tap it twice if it doesn't go. Alright, now we're on the page. Right here it say address. You're gonna click and hold it down, then paste in your address. Once you paste that address in there, you're gonna go ahead and just give it a little time, because it takes a little time sometimes to give you that preview and send button at the bottom. So we already paste our code in up here, and we're waiting now for the preview and send button down here. So if you wait and you don't see it, let's give it a little time and it will populate. Now it's asking me for the memo code, so I'm gonna jump back over to the Bitmart and copy that code, and then I'm gonna go back over here and then I will paste it in. So once I paste it in, now I'm ready to go. So it's gonna take a little time again before it populates everything, but I'm waiting on it. So this is not hard, guys. See it here? That's the code. I paste the code right there, and we're waiting for it to populate, so give it a little time. And if we just click back down here, in the meantime we're waiting. And once again, subscribe, guys. In the meantime we're waiting, just go ahead and click the subscription button there and click the notification bell so you can get the latest. Alright, now we're gonna click send, preview and send. You tap it twice and you should be fine. You know, Coinbase goes slow sometime, but we just have to give it a little time. Alright, it's gonna work, just give it a little time. Now let's see, we got it jumping all over there. Alright, so still waiting. This is one of those videos that you have to just wait until the system reacts. We can't go any faster than what's going on right now. Okay, so in the meantime we're waiting. We're just gonna jump back over to Bitmart to show you some of the advantage and disadvantage. So if we come back to the marketplace, you can see that we have a lot of coin over here in the market that we can also take advantage of. There's a lot of cheap coin. We have the Dodge, we have the M content, we have some great coins over here. They got a lot of zeros. These are coins that will blow up in 2022, so you need to get them while they're cheap. Everything is over here. Alright, so now let's go back to Coinbase and see if everything went through. Alright, just said we are looking for random green. So miss that message. 1 second here. Okay, they're still working on it, so Coinbase is acting up a little bit. Alright, so once this video is complete, I'm gonna make another video to show you when it reaching Bitmart what to do. So check back with me in a minute. Alright, so we get a preview and send. So we're gonna go ahead and preview and send. 1 second here. But this is how you do it. So once we done, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make a second video. So just follow the channel, subscribe, and you will see the part 2 of how to get your money into Bitmart and how to purchase. That's the next one that's coming up next. Alright, thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching this video.